Samsung S21 Ultra screen is damaged. Let's see how to replace it with a new one. Separate the back glass. Protect the camera lens with ESD stickers. Remove the screws from the top area. Detach the NFC and wireless charging coil flex cable, then carefully lift it off. Disconnect the battery connector first. Remove the earpiece speaker module by disconnecting the flex cable and unscrewing it. Then use tweezers to carefully detach it. Detach the front camera. Disconnect the remaining connectors attached to the mainboard. Gently pry up and remove the motherboard. Remove the screws securing the loudspeaker module. Then pry it up by hand. Disconnect the mainboard flex cable and USB flex cable. Remove the 3 screws on the charging port board. Then gently lift it out. Take out the battery. This completes the disassembly process.